Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's geography class. Today we are diving into chapter 5, which is all about transport and its importance. We will cover what transport is, why it's vital to our economy, and how it can connect people and places. So let's get started. First, let's define what we mean by transport. Transport is the movement of people, goods, or services from one place to another. There are different ways to do this, known as modes of transport. The main types include land, water, and air transport. Each of these play a unique role in connecting people and facilitating trade. Keep in mind that transport isn't just about getting from one place to another. It's essential for economic activities, access to services, and many much more. Next heading is, why is a good transport infrastructure key for a strong economy? First of all, let us clear what is infrastructure. So, infrastructure is the basic facilities and system serving a country, region, or a community. So transport infrastructure include roads, bridges, airports, seaports, railways, and bus terminals. These facilities support the smooth movement of goods and people. Without them, it would be challenging for us to connect producers with consumer or to access essential services. These connections, so transport is what help boost economic development and improve our quality of life. So next heading is reason for the development of transport system. Let's talk about some specific reason why we need transport system. Key reason includes economic development. To promote economic development, good transportation system can make it easier for businesses to move goods and for people to travel to different places which can promote economic development. Next is to connect people to job. A strong transport network makes it easier for people to reach workplace and find job opportunities. Next is connect people to services. Transport is crucial for reaching healthcare, education, and all other vital services such as grocery stores, your schools, hospitals, even to visit your relative. All these are included. Next is supply chain. A supply chain is a network of companies and people involved in producing and delivering products or services. Without efficient transport, the supply chain would struggle to move goods from production sites to consumer. So, transport is more than just moving from one place to another. It's the backbone of our economy and daily life. Now, let's wrap up with a quick task to reinforce what we have learned. Please read page 60 of your textbook and answer the following questions. What is meant by the term transport infrastructure? Question number second. How does transport infrastructure support trade and economic development? Question number three. Define supply chain and provide an example. Also, be sure to review these questions as they'll help you better understand the material. Thank you for joining today's class. Transport is something we experience daily, but understanding its role in our life and economy give us a whole new perspective. Please reach out if you have any questions. Have a great day and I'll see you next time.